Hello all, this is Dr. Nima and this is a quick tutorial to use the Biodigital 3D tool. Definitely you're on your canvas, you click on the Biodigital at the beginning. You need to register. This is registering through the web browser, so most probably on your laptop or computer. You can do that exactly also on your phone. Once you click on that, you'll have this window, and technically this is to log in, but definitely you're new. So you sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, this is what you will get, an empty dashboard technically, because you're on your dashboard. And again, this is on your computer. This is the view. I'll show you the view on your phone as well later, but you have an empty dashboard. You can explore, but some of these are free, some of them are premium. But what I did is I made some bookmarks to the things that we're going to talk about and that I'm going to use in the classroom, that you will have direct access to them, so you don't have to go through all of these, but definitely you can use them later. So after you logged in your account and you don't have anything here, what you can do, you go back and you'll use the link that I gave you. So see, this is the link to the skull bone bookmark. You click on that and you'll get this view here. And again, this is on the computer. This is on your laptop. So you'll see you can actually use it directly. You can play with it. You can use the tools that you have here. You can read more on each of the bones that you click on. If you use the tools, you can hide bones if you want. You can fade them. And definitely you can undo the fade and you can undo the hide. And you can reset everything so you can work directly. If you click your mouse scroll, you can move the bones. You can zoom in and out. But if you want to have this on your dashboard, then you click the three dots here and then you click add to my models. When you click add to my models, what you'll see is that when you go back here, you refresh, now you'll have this in your models. And once you click on it, you'll find it, and you can edit in the studio where you can actually do a little bit more by going to anatomy, and then you can click on and off some things that I removed already, but again, it's up to you. I like sometimes to work with this because it can give you more control. All of these things you can hide and unhide and you can work with directly. But if we go back to the view, so this is my and here's the regular view, and you can work with it. You can click on each one of them, and on this view definitely you can even color them, different colors, and you can add different things. So there's a lot of things that you can add. You can add labels and so on and so forth, and then you have to save it. The only thing is with a free account, you only have 5 views to be able to save to your dashboard. You cannot save more than 5 views on dashboard, but anyway, you can always view the things that I share with you. Technically, if you want to find the things that I'm creating, so far I haven't created a lot, but if you go here to the community bookmark, then you'll able to see all the things. And the ones that I'm creating, I am putting HCC in front of them. So here we go. This is HCC DNTA bones, and then you can click on it. As we go forward, I'll add more things, but I'll also always create links. So just to review, you log in, you create an account. Once you create an account, if you want to add the bookmark to your dashboard, you click on the link that I gave you, and once you're there, you click the 3 dots and then add to my models, and then you can work with it on the phone. By the way, and you can definitely search for bones. Once you click on them, it will show you all the things, and then you can zoom out and zoom in. So it's a great tool to use them on the phone. Once you have added the bookmark, you'll be able to find things. So this is on the phone view. This is your canvas. Definitely you go to your modules, and same thing, you go to the page here that I gave you, and this is the bookmark. But the thing is, when you click on it on Canvas, it opens inside of Canvas. It doesn't open in the application. And definitely Biodigital have an app on both Android and iPhone, and definitely you can download it. But again, when you click on it from Canvas app at the beginning, it opens as external tool, so it doesn't open in the app. Not sure, maybe some of you would have it directly open in the app depending on your phone, but usually it opens as external tool. So it opens like a web view, not like a phone or an app view. So you can, same thing, do all the things that you do on the web. You can select, you can read more, you can do a lot of other things. You can hide, you can fade, exactly like you were using it on a computer, same thing. But definitely the app would be better, and you'll see me switching to the app in a second. So all things you can reset. Now I'm switching to the app. So this is the app. This is how it looked like. It begins with your latest view that you viewed, and if you're just using the app, you might not have any view here. But you'll see on the menu of the app here on the top that this is the community, and this is the bookmarks. So the bookmarks that you added from the computer, you'll see it here. And the thing also with the app is that you have Add to My Human, and as you'll see, there is technically an extra or another tab in the app that is called My Human, as you saw there. And these are the things that are in My Human, technically, the things that you open. So in Community, you can see your bookmarks or the public bookmarks, and in My Human is the things that you have opened. And if you go to the public bookmarks, you can add them to My Human. Not sure about the limit of the things that you can add to My Human. I haven't tried it, but it's an option. So these are the public bookmarks. And you can also, same thing, find the ones that I have created, again beginning with HCC. So this is the one that actually begins with HCC. You can view it, and now with the mobile app you can do all kind of different things. And by the way, see here, you can add to My Human anything that you find, just add to My Human if you're using the phone. So with the phone app, there are a lot of nice things. So you can select a bone and then isolate it from the views, see, and then go back to standard. You can x-ray it so it fades everything else. You can read about it here, about the bone, and then you can search for a specific bone also, and it goes to directly to that bone that you're. It doesn't have to be bone, but any organ. Once we talk about different things, so you can search about the things that are in the view, and you can dissect, which means you're cutting things. Anything that you click on will be dissected. You can undo and reset things also as well on your mobile phone. So it's a great tool to have it on your phone. But again, just remember that most probably you have to add the bookmark either manually from on the phone by going to the public bookmarks and looking for the HCC ones, or you can add them by going online on your computer and then adding that to your models, and then using it. And that's mainly it. And again, it's a great tool that you can use. I'll be adding these bookmarks as we go, and I'll also write the name for the bookmark so you can find it if you want to find it manually, not by clicking the link. And definitely if you have any questions, just let me know.